Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, work has just been really crazy, but I did want to share with you guys what I picked up from Cleef and Arpel for my birthday, and I think it's a rather special and unique piece, and hashtag not another Alhambra. So if you want to see what I picked up, let's get into the unboxing. So I've had this for a while and I've been waiting to film this so I can do the chew unboxing with you guys. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's unbox it together. So we have the jewelry piece in this box. So along with the piece, you do get a folder with the care booklet and the certificate of authenticity, as well as the receipt and a travel pouch. So I don't think Van Cleef gives out cleaning kits like Cartier does, but they do offer in-store cleaning. So without further ado, let's open up this box. So let's open the ribbon together and the box, and ta-da! So this is the mini Frivole pendant in rose gold with a tiny ruby in the center. So I'll show you guys how it looks on me, stacked and paired with the Cartier Ledger necklace, which is one of my favorite necklaces to wear 24/7. And I think together they pair really well. So the Frivole line from Van Cleef is another popular line, just like their Alhambra series. So this new collection that came out recently, I think in April, had the Frivole mini size pendants in the rose gold with a ruby, which is worn on me, and there's also a yellow gold version with emerald, and there's the matching sets with the earring as well as the bracelet. I think the earring is really pretty too because the Frivole design, it curves out at the sides, which makes it really special and unique. It's not a completely flat pendant, which kind of draws a little bit more light and sparkle as well. And of course, there's also the same necklace from the older collection, which is in yellow gold with a diamond on the inside. So this is the only rose gold piece, and that is just what makes it really special. So there's also a larger Frivole necklace, but I think the large size is just a little too big and it's more of like a statement piece. I first saw it on Selling Sunset. I think Chelsea was wearing it, and I thought it just looked really unique, and it just reminded me about the Frivole line from Van Cleef, and when I saw the rose gold version, I just knew that I couldn't resist. Another thing about this necklace and with Van Cleef that I really love too is that their chains are very shiny, just like Cartier. As you can see, the reflection from both of those chains are very similar, which is why I really like high polished chains a lot more when it comes to necklaces because it makes it look more expensive. So my essay said that this collection is not going to be limited edition. It is going to be part of their permanent line going forward, and it is a piece that you can wear 24/7 because it's mostly rose gold, and the ruby is not as delicate. So she said you can shower with it and you can exercise with it and do what you will. Of course, none of these fine jewelry pieces, they would recommend you go into the swimming pool because chlorine can damage some of the pieces. And the rose gold in this piece is more of a mirror polish, so it is very shiny. You can see a reflection in it, which means that it can be more prone to scratching, but I highly doubt a necklace will scratch that much since it's not really getting scraped up against a lot of things. But she said that if it does get really scratched up, she can polish it in the boutique, although she would not really recommend doing that, at least not very frequently. I think she said maybe like once a year or even less, just because every time she polishes the hardware, you're going to remove some of the gold as well. But I don't think you should worry too much about necklaces since they're not very scratch prone. So as you guys all know, I have a thing for rose gold hardware and rose gold jewelry because I think it goes really well with Asian complexion and the Asian skin tone. Rose gold just makes the piece look more soft and more feminine as opposed to yellow gold, which can sometimes pull out those yellow undertones in our skin. The gold versions will hold up better than the stone with continuous long time wear. And I do believe that when you're buying fine jewelry, you don't want to keep taking it on and off. The whole point of fine jewelry is that you can wear something all the time. It won't irritate your skin. You can just leave it on. So that's why I prefer options that are less maintenance and you can wear them all the time as you please.
Alright guys, I can't find my ending clip for the life of me, so I'll just leave it here. Bonus points for amazing observation skills if you notice my eyelashes were on the verge of falling off and piecing out during the entire video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys liked the unboxing, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!